Local Women's Premier League football is back. The competition, which gets underway this weekend, will culminate with a grand finale in August and will see Sherwin-Williams back as one of the main sponsors.
Action in the Jamaica Women's Premier League is set to kick off this Saturday and will see 10 teams taking part in this year's league and knockout competitions. Speaking at Tuesday's launch at the JFF headquarters, President Michael Ricketts expressed the delight that local women will get the chance once again to display their skills.
In addition to that, the JFF has signed an agreement with, in fact, we're partnering with FIFA, one of 20 countries that FIFA would have selected, to send a coach, and our coach is a gentleman called Dan Crooks from England. He will be responsible for our growth, our grassroots, our development program, inclusive of our women's programs. So we will definitely be partnering with FIFA, with, of course, our new sponsor, Sherwin-Williams.
And with the Reggae Girls achieving the unprecedented feat of back-to-back World Cup qualifications, Ricketts is hoping that an improved local competition will help in the continuation of that legacy.
Yeah, we want to professionalize the league, and we would have had some discussions with Chris in this regard. And this is something that we are looking forward to, and this is something that we are intent on ensuring that it happens sooner than later.
Meanwhile, chairperson of the JFF Women's Football Committee, Elaine Walker-Brown, says with the recent success of the Reggae Girls, there has been increased interest from young women island-wide.
Oh yes, definitely. Everybody's want to be a part of it. The support is great, and that's why we have to capitalize on this moment, because we have had the platform, and we had it before, but COVID when we went to France, but we have it now, and the interest is great, so we have to ensure that we do what we have to do to get the persons and the youngsters involved with the women's football.
The fixtures for both the league and knockout competitions will be released on Thursday.